In today's video, I'm going to teach you best tips for using MyMind. By the end, you'll know how to get in, add your ideas and inspirations quickly, and find anything again in seconds, without wrestling with folders or manual tags. First, open your browser and go to mymind.com. Think of MyMind as the extension for your mind, a clean, private space where you can keep images, articles, notes, links, and videos. It's designed to be effortless, so you can capture what matters the moment it appears and move on with your day. If you're a visual thinker or someone who saves a lot of references, you'll appreciate how everything feels lightweight and distraction-free. Next, click Login, choose Sign In with Google, and confirm the account you want to use. Make sure you're on the official site before you proceed. When your browser prompts you, select your Google account and approve the request. This simply connects your library to your identity, so your content stays synced and private. If you already have an account, you'll be taken right in. If not, the sign-in flow will set things up for you automatically without extra forms. Once you're inside, start creating new notes or upload anything that comes to mind. Click the option to add a note and jot down thoughts, meeting takeaways, or a quick idea you don't want to forget. You can also drop in images, PDFs, screenshots, and links to articles or videos. Many people, especially designers and researchers, use MyMind to collect visual inspiration, mood boards, and reference material. A helpful habit is to add a short line that captures why you saved something, like layout idea for homepage or color palette inspiration. You don't need to worry about tagging. MyMind uses AI to understand and organize what you save in the background. When you're ready to retrieve something, simply type a keyword to search your note. The search is powerful because it leverages the automatic organization MyMind applies as you save. Try natural words you'd use in conversation, such as invoice, blue poster, or research interview. You can even search by topics, visual attributes, or the kind of thing you saved, like an article or an image. If you wrote a descriptive line in your note, that text helps the search surface exactly what you want faster. That's all you need to get value from MyMind. Go to the site, sign in, add what matters the moment it appears, and trust the search to bring it back. Keep capturing, keep it simple, and let the app do the organizing for you.